Guys, so natanggal ko na yung ibang buhok guys, balahibo. So pakita ko sa inyo mamaya guys, after cleaning guys. Yan. So pag wala tayong trabaho guys, ito ang ginagawa natin, cleaning guys. See you mamaya guys. Look at the result of the nest which I shown to you a while ago. So amazing guys, crystal clear. So after following how many steps or procedures guys, so